Keeping your offshore deliveries on schedule. Things may feel like they're getting back to normal, but anyone looking at their delivery schedules from their overseas suppliers will know the effects of lockdown are far from over. The issues fall into three main areas: materials supply, supplier capacity, and shipping availability. The huge spike in demand for materials following lockdown has impacted both availability and price. This has added delays and costs for everyone. The easiest way to mitigate this is to place long-term contracts with your supplier and request they purchase the necessary material at the start of the contract. If you've not done this, you will need your supplier to be working hard on your behalf to source the materials as quick and as cheap as possible. The next issue you will hit is supplier capacity. Following lockdown, most suppliers are currently running at full capacity. You will need to persuade them to prioritize your parts over other customers. You will need good working relationships throughout the supplier's business, and you will need to be a valued customer. It is important to consider this when choosing your suppliers. The final obstacle is shipping. Container availability is currently very low and prices are very high. For now, you must accept the higher prices and accept the shipping times will be longer. The most frustrating part is the delays at port entry, which can add over a week. There is nothing you can do about this other than factor the delays in when placing your contract. At China Outsourcing, we have seen delays to our deliveries. We have people permanently on site at all our suppliers, so we have not seen any delays at the far end. The delays we have seen are due to shipping times, so they have been relatively minor. We are repeatedly being told that, compared to other suppliers, we are doing well. This is great to hear when you feel you're letting your customer down. Contact China Outsourcing Limited today for a free consultation.